UMLA Kamaulai ba Bright Starwell Marbanyang ulaong batang sanpu Tylli ki pos balamang ban Pyniaid yakat ke Captain Williamson State University kadang Duna palat kumta na kalyang menteri ketenat puli puthi rakam isang ma haba jubab halor kane ulaong ba kila terwa hadu shispa Tylli ki pos na kebenta kete ke skul ba jong Khuborjylla.
Education Minister here had mentioned that there are 58 posts that have been sanctioned, including Vice Chancellor and the Registrar. May I know from him how many departments will be there in this state university?
Speaker, sir, initially, the proposal is to make the engineering, physical science, life science, technology, humanities, commerce, these are the courses. And so to start off with the academic, initially the Department of English, Khasi, the Garo, philosophy, political science, education, economic and history on humanities and social science. And so on the life science, physical and life science, we'll be having for postgraduate and PhD. It's a Department of Physics, Department of Mathematics, Department of Chemistry, Department of Geology and Department of Botany. So in commerce and management, both postgraduate and the PhD, we'll be having commerce in specialized in accounting and finance, and number two, in commerce in management and marketing. And in terms of urban planning, also, the Department of Urban Planning will be there, and these are the department initially will be having the campus.
From what the Education Minister have just informed the House, we can understand that there are many departments that are going to be set up within this state university. But then looking at the number of posts that have been sanctioned, I feel that it is very less, considering that there are many departments, as he had just mentioned. As I'm aware that even to run a college per department, the necessary posts required is a minimum of 5 teachers. But looking at the numbers, 58 posts, I feel that it is too less, the number. So is there any possibility that the government will increase? Otherwise, it's not possible to run the university with just 58 posts, considering that there are many departments.
Speaker, sir, this 58 posts, which was already sanctioned for earlier Captain Williamson Technical University. When it's renamed as a state university, the department has proposed 100 posts for the faculty members, and this is under the process of sanctions.
Another question, supplementary question. What is the financial implication as far as the human resource is concerned, apart from the 58 post sanctioned for teachers, including the Vice Chancellor and Registrar?
So, Speaker, so with 100 additional posts in proposal and 6 for Shillong campus will be annually 45 crore 7,4,292, and the details of already sanctioned 58 sanctioned posts is not with me, sir. I recommend at this point.
So when do we expect that this Captain Williamson Samla State University will start its academic session?
Speaker, sir. Sir, the process is very at an advanced stage, and the recruitment for the post of Vice Chancellor is almost at the final stage, and on the 15th of this month, the deadline for the application to be received has just over, and we have received certain number of candidates, and at any point of time we will appoint the Vice Chancellor and the process will start. But sir, with respect to the academic session, it was earlier planned that 2024 academic session was supposed to be started, but in view of the upcoming model code of conduct, in view of the general election, if not able to recruit all the faculty members, so there is little chances to be delayed. But we'll make sure that 2025 and 26 academic session will be functioning, sir.
Thank you.
So, may I know from the Honourable Minister, whether these 58 posts which have been sanctioned have been the process of recruitment has started or not?
Speaker, sir? Sir, no, sir.
So we move on to next question.